Quick reading for February the 9th to February the 10th at Cancer. We have the Two of Wands, the Emperor, and the Eight of Swords. Justice is served, no? Nakita natin dito. Kasi kung meron man ditong mga tao, no, na sinaktan ka, winalangya ka, ginawan ka ng mali, masakit dito kung ito pa yung taong mahal mo, no? Parang makikita natin na may kakampi sa'yo. Not because of naaawa, no? Kakampi sa'yo dahil ikaw ang nasa tama, no? Pwedeng ito'y pamilya niya, no? Pamilya ng person mo. Pwedeng ito'y someone with authority, no? The emperor. One thing is for sure, meron tayong ditong mga bagay na feeling natin na agrabyado tayo, no? Pero itong mga araw na ito, nakikita mo na yung hustisya, no? Na totoo pala, meron din pala, no? So this is your quick reading for February the 9th to February the 10th, Cancer.
Predicting future is my purpose. Yelling the stars align.